There it is. What's up, y'all? Caprice. It's in pieces. And everything's getting done right now, pretty much. Because got the fenders, and then that just caused a chain reaction. It needs a lot of work. So here we are, down to the heater. It was blocked off. I need a heater, but it's gonna be big. So before I put it back on, I'm looking for problems, and I found one. Got a broken exhaust manifold bolt back here. That sounds like fun. I mean, at least it's all off and everything. So I gotta do it. And the wiring, I drilled a hole there. My brother drilled a hole for me. I might need to drill a little bigger. So I haven't quite figured out what I'm doing yet. But I want to do the wiring inside the car. Get stuff out of the way. But yeah, there it is. Got the 84 box here. Got the heater box here. Excuse me. I cleaned it up, washed it out. It was pretty dusty, had a bunch of leaves on it. I still gotta clean the air conditioning piece right there. I'm not gonna have air conditioning hooked up at the moment, but I'm gonna have all the stuff. So, but yeah, the box is clean. There were a heck of leaves and dust and all sorts of crap in there, so at least it'll be clean. But yeah, there it goes right there. That's what's going on right now. So, oh yeah, and there's on the other side. I said, oh, let me check and see if any more exhaust manifolds are broken. Exhaust manifold bolt. Yeah, somewhere in there. I can't really tell if you can see it or not. Still learning how to use this phone. So yeah. Anyway, I got one broken back there. Both of them got them broken, but I mainly just want to focus on this side right here because I want to put that heater on before it starts raining. And then this is the time to do the bolt, so I'm probably gonna have to take the exhaust manifold off, take the alternator off. Yeah, it's just coming apart. But then I could do the exhaust manifold gasket, change the bolts, hopefully no more break. Or shit, I don't even know. I don't even know. Maybe drill it out somehow like it is with a left-handed bit or something. I don't know. I gotta think about it. But there it is.